project teams can excel with the right tools to define and manage projects. To succeed, project managers and team members must be able to seamlessly collaborate on projects, maintain accurate project status, and have easy access to data for productivity and efficiency. NetSuite Project Management has the capability to run all of this. The solution offers project templates, which make it fast and easy to set up projects, create revenue and cost estimates for engagements, and use what-if scenarios to optimize price, margin, billing rates, and staffing. Equally as important, NetSuite Project Management provides a full view into the project plan with an easy-to-read Gantt chart that can drill down to the task level. It also grants access to all the financial metrics of a project, like budgets, estimates, work in progress, bookings, invoices, billing milestones, percentage complete, and costs, which are all vital in tracking project profitability. In short, NetSuite's project management solution offers businesses a significantly improved project completion record, which results in more satisfied clients and reduced non-billable work.